Is that a boy I smell? Yes. I smell it. Boy smell. I smell a boy. What is a boy doing here? Oh my god. Oh my god. What am I going to do? There's a boy in here. I'm freaking out so much. Okay. Calm down and take a nice deep breath. It smells so good. I love boy smell so much. It makes me feel so amazing. I'm getting tingles all over from the delicious boy scent. Oh, it's driving me boy crazy. Wait, I misspelled it. What the fuck? No! My diary! Oh god, no! Hey, I got bigger PP. What the hell? Since when did my PP increase? My PP increased! Since when? Oh my god, my PP got bigger. Bigger PP. That was a PP rework. Awesome. Meow. 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 Sometimes you just don't want to pull out, you know what I mean? Sometimes you want to keep it inside. Daisuki. 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 Ara. This is the Ikega.
Hello, I'm Ookamin Chokimori. I own a dungeon with my dungeon coins and I don't feed them. And I am very shy, Will.
Isn't what like a grandpa's soul? It means he has more experience, think about it. If he's like 80 years old, it means he has 80 years of experience. Smash. My key is switching. Oh, I love the switch. I love it when my asshole switches like... Look at my tail, it's so fluffy. I love it when it wags like that. Oh no, my button accidentally activated itself. Oh no, suddenly I have hard eyes. Oh. No. Oh no, I am accidentally sticking on my tongue. There.
Wait.
And oh no, I'm suddenly looking up for no reason. All of this happening at the same time for no absolute reason.
Wait.
Thank you for coming to my stream. Make sure to copy the link my switch. I love you, chat.
What the hell? Oh my god, no
Fuck
way.
you, Val.